Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 9th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So I started off on the daily today just to show you that my main analysis is still up for a potential wave C of wave B before we keep going down. Now, yes, I totally agree that the trend is down because we don't have a break. But the market structure is definitely up because the candles have been making higher highs, higher lows. So it's kind of up to you. I mean, you could be looking for longs on sort of time frame still, which is probably the best bet. Now, price tried to go down really strong this week, and I was thinking that that potentially was the end of a wave C, like I said. But really, the cue was that it never did break down. If it was the end of a wave C, it should have broken structure and then made a pullback and continued down from there. Instead, what happened was it pushed down and made a higher low. The fact that it made a higher low would make me think that there is a very good likelihood that it will keep on going up and that we should continue to look for longs. Even the 4 hour time frame is telling us to still look for longs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said yesterday, I was saying that this could be a wave C, but after evaluating, I noticed that it definitely is making higher lows, higher lows. I think that we should potentially keep on looking for longs. I would be trying to look for three-way pullbacks, definitely for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.